How to add note in books in Kindle. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add and attach different notes. First of all, open the application. Now you can select any of the book that you want to read. Here I'm tapping on this book, so it is loading. Now here simply tap and hold onto one word. Now on the top you can see this note option. Simply tap on note. Now here you can type anything for your note. So here I'm tapping on one. So here you can tap any mode and it will automatically be saved. So later when you view it, it will be popped up. So these notes are basically a type of reminder or type of notes that you can keep in any book at certain pages also. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.